Welcome back, Radio Land listeners. Now here we go on one that you may want to watch a few times because this one looks crazy. Because this is called Piecewise, P-I-E-C-E. Because I've got three pieces, the top piece, the middle piece, and the bottom piece. And actually, if you think about this, I've got the piece that's to the left of one, and I've got the piece that's between 1 and 3, including them. And I've got the piece that's bigger than 3. Oh boy. So when you go make your XY axis, let's find a highlighter. There's one. We want to pay attention to where right here X is 1 on this vertical line, and X is 3 on this vertical line. And I've got to the left of 1, that's everything over here. And then I've got in between them, that's everything in here. And then I've got to the right of 3, that's everything over here. So I really have 3 pieces. I got this piece, I got the first piece, the second piece, and the third piece. So what we do is we graph it right up to the border and we don't cross it. So when I'm graphing out in here, this first piece, I'm going to run right over to this border wherever it is. I'm not going to cross it. And actually, I'm going to have a hole when I hit the border. Because on these, I'm going to have solid dots when I hit those 2 borders. And on this one, I'm not going to have, I'm going to have a hole. And notice this one right here is only out here in the 3rd section. So these piecewise, it's sort of crazy because we're going to graph 3 things on the same graph, but we're all going to let them have their particular spot. So look right there, f of x is going to equal x. So that means when 0 is 0, -1, -1, -2, -2, and put a hole right there at 1, 1. And then go ahead and draw this down like so. I'm not going to draw it on through because it's not in these 2 sections. It's only in this section. And it runs right up to the line x is 1, but it's just less than that. So I got a hole in the graph right there. Now when I go in this middle section, the function is always y is 3. 1z, 2z, 3z. So between here and here, which I colored those in because these are or equal to, I'm flat right there. I'm at y is 3. Okay, and then when I'm greater than 3, I've got -2x. So let's put 3 in here. -2 times 3 is -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to be right here with a hole. Okay, the next number over here is 4. -2 times 4 is -8. At 4, I'm at -8. And I would go like that. So there's my finished graph. Let me zoom out a little bit on this. There's my finished graph. 3 graphs. This one going up to its border. This one being in between the 2 borders. And that one just to the right of the second border. And that's the longest video I've made it 4.5 minutes. I did it real slow so you can get it. So long, we'll be back.